Okay. I thought I would show you some of the extension hair that I bought that hasn't been dreaded yet. Okay. I got it in the longest length that they have right now, which is 22 inches. So it comes sewn onto a weft, and then these clips are sewn on, and I take that off. I'm not sure if I'm going to take it off the weft yet, actually. I'm going to have Kaylin, who works at Ms. Jackson's Dreadlocks, I'm going to have her make the extensions because I found that I don't enjoy making the extension, I don't enjoy making the dreadlock extensions, so I'm not going to. So yeah, that'll be a pretty long extension actually. And here's more hair. I like buying extension hair sometimes, but I really don't like it. It doesn't feel the same as mine. I don't know. It's nice to have extension hair. It's nice to have the ability to do that, but I don't know. I guess I wish it was all my own. See, if it was all my own, it would be just down to here right now.